Have you ever sat down at your desk with a giant cup of coffee, promising yourself that you are going to study for 6 hours straight, and only to realize at the end of the day that you achieved absolutely nothing? If your daily schedule feels like a constant, exhausting treadmill where you are running fast but going nowhere, you need to listen to me today very closely, my friend. Welcome back to my podcast. I am Raghuram Bhatt, the memory coach on wheels. The topic of today's episode is Three Secrets to Better Time Management. Before I reveal the ultimate blueprint, I want to take you back to March 2017. I was sitting at the edge of an airplane door, 12,000 feet above the earth. I am completely paralyzed below my shoulders, but on that day, I threw myself into the sky to become India's and Asia's first quadriplegic skydiver. It was a tandem jump. I jumped with my instructor. When you are in a free fall from that altitude, you do not have the luxury of wasting time. You do not have hours to figure out things. My instructor had a few intense high speed seconds only. It is a strict, precise mission where every fraction of second matters. Well, when my parachute opened and I drifted safely to the ground, I realized a profound truth. To achieve something massive, you do not need infinite time. You just need absolute, unbreakable focus in the tiny window of time you actually have. Today, students are overwhelmed by their massive syllabus. They think they need more hours in the day. But the truth is, you do not need more time. You need a better system. Time management is not it's not about working longer. It's about working with laser focus. If you want to stop wasting hours and start achieving real results, here are three absolute secrets to better time management. Secret number one: stop studying for hours and start studying in missions. When you tell your brain, I am going to study all day, you are making a massive mistake, my friend. Well, your brain is lazy, it knows it has all days, so it slows down, and your brain will entertain the three Ds: diversions, distractions, and disturbances. So you end up sitting all at your desk for 6 hours, but you only do 1 hour of actual work. You must completely destroy and stop this habit. Do not measure your study sessions by the clock. Measure them by the outcome. You need to start studying in missions. Instead of saying you will study for 3 hours, tell yourself, I am going to master the first two chapters of biology and solve 10 physics problems. Treat it like a military mission. When you give your brain a specific, tangible target, yeah, it instantly shifts into high gear, I mean. You will finish your work in half the time. Now let's go to secret number two. Use the 50-10 brain rhythm. Human beings are not machines. Yeah. You cannot run your car engine at maximum speed for 5 hours without it overheating and breaking down. Your brain operates the exact same way. If you try to study for 3 hours continuously, your focus and retention completely collapse after the first hour. You are just staring at dead words on the page. That's it. Now, friends, to fix this, you must implement the 50-10 brain rhythm. Now, what is this 50-10 brain rhythm? You study with absolute unbreakable focus for exactly 50 minutes. No phones, no internet, no talking, just you and the mission. Then you step away and take a strict 10-minute break. Walk around, drink water, close your eyes, but do not look at the screen, yeah? Do not look at your phone screen, I meant. This 10-minute pause allows your brain to process and organize the information you just consumed. So it cools the engine down. When you sit back, when you sit back down for the next 50-minute sprint, your focus is completely restored. Secret number 3: plan revision before new learning. This is the most critical mistake students make. They spend 100% on their time trying to learn new chapters. Yeah, they keep pushing forward, desperately trying to finish the massive syllabus. But because they never look back, they forget everything they learned last week. See, learning without revising is like pouring water into a bucket, with a giant hole in the bottom. A leaky bucket, I meant. You are wasting your time. You must build a permanent plug. Every single time you sit down to study, the very first thing you must do is plan your revision. Dedicate the first 20 minutes of your day to actively recalling what you learned yesterday. Use spaced repetition to review older chapters, older concepts before you touch a single new page. Well, time is not your enemy, my friend. A lack of structure is your enemy. A lack of system is your enemy. You have the infinite potential inside your mind to conquer any exam and achieve any goal. So let's make our memory our superpower. Please drop a comment below right now and tell me which of these 3 time management secrets will you use today. Well, that's it for today, and let us meet again in a new episode. Thank you. Bye bye. Good.